Yeah. So, so today we're going to be discussing about course overview. What exactly this course? What we are going to be? That is in exactly we will discuss, please. Yes. First, let us decide what is in exactly a agenda in this course today. Today we are going to be discussing about course overview. Course overview. Tomorrow we're going to be discussing about what is DevOps, what is Azure, what is the difference between Azure versus DevOps. That is an exactly class for tomorrow. Today, just to overview of this course. Just to overview of this course, guys, please. This course totally 5 months duration is. This course is totally 5 months duration. Total duration is 5 months plus duration. In this 5 months duration, we're going to be discussing about Azure DevOps, Azure administration, guys, please. Azure DevOps, Azure administration, Azure administration. If you want to join in this course, if you want to join in this course, please, Linux basics required, shell script is required. That I will be take care of you, don't worry. I will take care of you, don't worry. No programming, Java, .NET, Python is not required. Java, Python, .NET, Python, not required. Any programming is not required. You require a laptop with this configuration, minimum. If it is more than this also, it's very good for daily practice. Who can join in this course, guys, please? Freshers can join in this course. Experienced students can join in this course. Any graduate can also join in this course. Any graduates can also join in this course. Which are all the benefits, guys, please? So which are all the benefits, please, if you join in this course? It's okay. It's okay. Daily class recording videos after the payment via 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 Google Drive. You are going to be accessing up to 11 months. Resume preparation, entry question and answers. For live real-time projects, I'm going to be trying to help. And 80% soft materials also I'm going to be providing. Our course starts with very basic level, finish with what? Advanced level. Our course starts with very basic level, finish with what? Advanced level. Each and every class is a practically implemented in front of you that you need to practice in your life, in your laptop. After completion of course, you will receive a certificate from our institute. Daily 1 hour class. The classes are Monday to Saturday. You are going to be paying 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees. You're gonna be paying 10,000 rupees for complete Azure DevOps, complete Azure administration, for daily recordings, for daily recording as please. So if you want to talk to admin for recording for fees and whatever, maybe call this number 9297 9297 77. 9297 9297 77. This is our admin phone number. Please be take it. This is our admin number. Please be take it out. And if you want to talk to it, if you want to talk to admin, please do that. If you want to see my course content, please revise this. I'm gonna be copy paste in the chat box. If you are copy paste in any browser, you can able to see this document list, course or DevOps content, Azure content, DevOps content, Azure content, totally 20 pages of totally 20 pages of DevOps content, 10 pages of Azure content will be uploaded. I'm going to be share this information in the chat box. Please be get it out. So after completion of this course, you can able to do two certifications, please. AZ104 Azure administration, AZ100 AZ400 for Azure DevOps. These two certification also you can able to do it. These two certification you can able to do it. Okay. So let us discuss about roadmap. How exactly we are gonna be. Totally, it is two courses, guys. It will be. It will be. Yes. We have placement. Yeah. Yeah. Let us discuss about roadmap, please. Totally, we're gonna be discussing about two courses: Azure administration, Azure DevOps. In Azure administration, in Azure administration, in Azure administration, in Azure administration, guys, please. In Azure administration, in Azure administration, totally we're gonna be discussing about different types of model. Compute model, compute model, active directory model, IAM, identity access management, active directory, yes, please. Compute active directory and storage model, database model, network model. So totally we're going to be spending more than 2.5 months time for Azure administration. We are gonna be we are gonna be discussing more than 2.5 months. 2.5 months for completing these all the models. If you are coming into, if you are coming into Azure DevOps, Linux basics and shell script, shell script, we're going to be starts Ansible and Docker and Kubernetes. Kubernetes, Kubernetes and KIS and CI/CD, continuous integration, continuous delivery. In that, we are going to be discussing about Git, Maven, Jenkins, JFrog, SonarQube, and code analyzer, and code analyzer, code analyzer, and Azure pipeline. We are going to be discussing these are all things comes under CI/CD. CI. CDS, please. Then, so monitoring tools like, uh, we are going to be covering Vagrant. We're going to be covering Vagrant, Negios, and EL. Got it very clearly. So Azure DevOps is also taking more than 3 months. More than 3 months, roughly 2.5 months. 3 months it will take. So this is an exactly our road. This is an exactly our road map, guys, please. So in tomorrow, we are going to be discussing about what is Azure, what is DevOps. So what is the difference between DevOps versus Azure? We are going to be discussing by tomorrow, please. Today, just to our actually, today very less strength. That's what, instead of canceling class. So I want to take introduction class only, interaction class only. That's all. So this is an exactly a plan. Okay. So what we're going to be discussing, what is an exactly course overview? So what are the fees? What is the fees and what we are going to be covered? What are the course content? So I already shared this link in Azure content, how much? In DevOps, which are all the topics we are going to be covering. I am already shared. And flow of our classes, what is the roadmap in Azure? What we are going to be in Azure in DevOps, what exactly the which models. So we are already discussed, please. Okay. So tomorrow we are going to be discussing about what is DevOps, what is Azure, what is the difference between DevOps versus Azure. We will discuss by tomorrow. We will discuss by tomorrow. Do you have any questions, please, guys? Please, any question? Any have you want to talk to me, please? Anything? Any questions, please? Do you have any questions, please? Karan, Mayash, Sarbot, Vicky, Banerjee. Do you have any questions, please? Any? Yeah. Fine. Job opportunities, yeah, we have a job opportunities in Azure DevOps is more compared to AWS DevOps. Azure DevOps is running moving forward, yes. But little bit because of it is a December month and January little bit slow. After January, definitely it will be increase the opportunities. December, January it is very slow. But after completion of festivals, February first week, then it will automatically increase the opportunities or Java opportunities. Yeah. Is there any other questions, please? Shall we continue by tomorrow? Tomorrow, what is the agenda? What is the DevOps? What is the Azure? What is an exactly difference between DevOps and Azure? That is an exactly class for tomorrow. No, time will be same. Time will be same. It won't be changed. 6 a.m. is fixed. 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. it is fixed. It won't be changed. Any other please? Any other want to talk to me? Any questions? Fine, guys, please. So we'll be continuing by tomorrow. What is DevOps? What is Azure? What is the difference between DevOps and Azure? We will be discussing by tomorrow. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Have your wonderful time in the early morning. Yeah, very good. So we'll be continuing by tomorrow, please. Thank you.